Hi, fantastic fourth graders. This is Eureka Math, grade 4, module 3, lesson 11 with Mrs. Fiska. Okay, as you know, this is our learning target, and we're learning these strategies so that we can really understand multiplication of more than one digit multiplication. Okay, we have learned 4 strategies. We've been talking a lot about this in class. We've learned place value chart. We've learned partial product. We've learned area model strategy, and we've learned the standard algorithm. So I'm going to go through each of these, and we're going to do the same problem. We're going to do it 4 ways. We're going to do it 2 times, and that'll be the end of the video. Okay, so I put my number on the chart, 4 hundreds, 2 tens, 3 ones, and now I'm going to do it 3 times to get my answer. Okay, when I multiply 423 3 times, I get 9 ones, and yay, I don't have to regroup. Then I get 6 tens, yay, I don't have to regroup, but oh no, here I might have to do some regrouping. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have to regroup. I take these 10 hundreds, I make 1,000. I have 2 hundreds left, and my answer is 1,269. Okay, this strategy is partial product. 3 times 3, 3 times 20, 3 times 400. Let me do that, and then you check to see if I got all my answer right. Okay, here are my partial products, what I am going to do, and then you see if my answer comes out the same as before. Okay, and I get 1,269. Okay, this is standard algorithm. We've been working on this for a while, for a couple of days, and so you should see where I regrouped to the thousands place. So I'm going to do this, and you look for where I regrouped. Okay, 3 times 0 is 0 thousands is 0, and then 1 that I had to regroup. So I have 1,269. Okay, so today in your homework, you're going to be doing area model, and we've been working a little bit on this in class, but in our area model, one of the things I like to remember is that I have a multiplication right here. When we do area for triangles, it's the width times the length. So let's put in our values here. I'm going to put a 3 over here. Now, I'm going to put 400, but you could do it the other way. Either way works. I'm going to put 3 times 400. 3 times 20, this is just the way we did it in partial product, and 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 20 is 60, and then 3 times 4 is 12. 12 what? I have 12 hundreds. And if I add those together, I would get the same answer as I got before. So this is the area model. Okay, here's one that's a little bit bigger, so I'm going to do the place value. So I'm going to put on my chart the disk for 2,623, and then I'm going to do it 2 times and put my answer. There will be some regrouping, I know, because 2 times 6 is more than 10, so I know there's going to be a little bit of regrouping. So I had to do a little bit of regrouping, but the answer that I got was 5,246. Okay, now we'll do the same problem as partial product. Part of the answer, part of the product. 2 times 3, 2 times 20, 2 times 600, 2 times 2,000. And that's just what we did on the place value chart. Okay, and I get the same exact answer, 5,246. Okay, here, let's do standard algorithm. Okay, so the same thing that happened on my place value chart. I had 12 in my hundreds. I had to regroup, put 1 over into my thousands. 2 times 2,000 is 4,000, plus 1 more thousand would be 5,000. Okay, I'm going to go a little slower on the area model because this is new for some of you. So remember, we're our 2. We can kind of say that's like our width over here times our length. And we're going to put 2,000 here. 2 times 600, we're going to put here, 2 times 20, and then 2 times 3. And we have 2 times 2,000 would be 4,000. 2 times 600 would be 1,200s. 2 times 2 is 4 tens. And 2 times 3 is 6. So if we add all that together, we still get the same answer as before. Okay, we would have 6, we would have 40. Then if we add this together, we would have 5,200. All we did was add these together, plus, plus, plus. We added those together and we got the same answer. Okay, for your homework, you're going to complete page 171, 172 in your Succeed book and put it in your clear folder, homework folder, and bring it to school tomorrow. See ya tomorrow. Bye-bye.